In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences. Following that, tap on Printing section and choose Default Print Service right away, or click on Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP Print One. When your service is ready, click on the back button twice. Click on the one that you don't want to use, in my case Default Print Service, and make sure it's off. Then go back, tap on the preferable one, in my case HP one, and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!